So in these cases, we're going to deal with multiplying fractions. So when we are multiplying fractions, the nice thing about it is it's just going straight across. You multiply straight across on the top and straight across on the bottom. One nice thing that you can do when you're multiplying though is before you multiply straight across, you can check if there are any common factors that will cancel out before you multiply. This way you don't get these very large numbers that you then have to simplify with one another. In this case, if we do a quick check, 2 does not have anything in common with 3 and 7. There's nothing that'll cancel. And 5 does not have anything in common with 3 or 7. So nothing is going to cancel in this problem. But that allows us to begin just straight multiplying across in this fraction with the other fraction. So what I mean by that is the top, we're going to multiply straight across to get 2 times 5. And in the bottom, we're going to multiply straight across to get 3 times 7. And now we can just simplify. 2 times 5 is going to give us 10. Over 3 times 7 will give us 21. So 2/3 times 5/7 is the same thing as 10/21, as we just multiply straight across, as we did, and simplify. Let's go ahead and try this again, but with a slightly different example. We have 4/7 times 3. It might not seem like we're multiplying fractions again, but we technically are, because we have the ability to rewrite 3 as 3 over 1. Any whole number can be rewritten as itself over 1 without changing it. Anything divided by 1 is just itself. And now suddenly we have 4/7 times 3/1. You don't have to rewrite it like this, but it just makes it a little bit easier to visualize now. And now we're going to check again. Are there any common factors that will cancel from the top and bottom? Does 4 have anything in common with 7 or 1 that they're divisible by? They do not. Does 3 have anything in common with 7 or 1? They do not. So we can begin just multiplying straight across to get 4 times 3 in the top over 7 times 1 in the bottom, which gives us 4 times 3 is 12. Over 7 times 1 is 7. So 4/7 times 3 becomes 12/7. Go ahead and take a moment, pause the video, and see if you can multiply 18/5 by 10/9 and simplify along the way. Okay, trying this together. Remember, we are multiplying, so we're going to multiply straight across. But before we do that, we should notice that there are common factors that are going to cancel in this case. 18 has a common multiple with 9. 18 and 9 are both divisible by 9, which cancels to leave us with 1 in this denominator and 2 in this numerator. Over here, we have a common factor of 5 with this 10. We can cancel a 5 from each of these, leaving us with 1 in this denominator and 2 in this numerator. And there are no more common factors. 2 has nothing in common with 1 or 1, and this 2 has nothing in common with 1 or 1, so we begin multiplying. Again, straight across. 2 times 2 divided by 1 times 1 leaves us with 2 times 2 is 4 over 1 times 1 is 1. And again, any number divided by 1 is itself, so 4 over 1 will just become 4. So 18/5 times 10/9 is just 4. The fractions cancel out.